Hey guys, Joe here. I've got the Icarsoft multi-system scanner I980 because on my wife's car, a little piece of tape right there, I've got an SRS light on. If I could show you it behind there, there it is, the SRS. The light is on, so I just bought this new scanner. The other one I have is a launch, CRP 123, something like that. So we're going to try this. What that says up there is Diagnose, so we're going to hit OK. And that says Benz, so we're going to hit OK. And the hint says checking files, please wait. Okay, then we've got to go to, for this particular ML, it's a 163 because it's a 2000 model. I'm going to hit OK. And I've got the key in number 2 position, which you usually need it in to do the scan. Gasoline engine, okay. Left-hand steering, okay, because we're in the US. Then we need to pick the model, which of course this one is the ML320. And hit OK. Automatic, okay. I know I've got a couple oxygen sensors that are bad, but I really want to see if I can reset this SRS light. So I'm just trying. This is the first time I've ever used the scanner, so just bear with me here. Looks like it's checking everything, which is great. Electronic stability, brake assist, SRS, there we go. All activity module. Looks like it scans everything. This is supposedly Benz specific scanner. I got it on Amazon. I think it was $113. I'll post the link below, so if you want to buy one. You click my link, I get a little commission off that, and I appreciate it. So we'll just wait for this to go through the scan. Oh, and it looks like my radio was saying Diagnose, so let's just turn that off for a second. Okay. Checking air conditioning. Just had my air compressor replaced by shop in town. I didn't want to do it myself. I didn't have time, and you do need to like make sure you do that legally with all the different chemicals and things that go in there. Okay, so let's go down to SRS and see what we got. It's just okay. So I want to read the faults and see what we got. So restraint system controlling unit under voltage at terminal 15R/15. So wow, there's 16 codes, which I don't think all of them are going to be what we're looking for. Most of these aren't found, so they're probably nothing. Sometimes you do find this, that there's a lot of codes stored. Coding for the ignition circuit with component R20 left front side airbag ignition squib is faulty. Okay. Resistance value in the ignition circuit containing component R12/20 left front side airbag ignition squib is too low. So it looks like there's something maybe wrong with the front left airbag. We will have to take that apart. Just go back to that for 1 second. I want to take a picture, and we'll take pictures of each code just in case we need it for later. Same thing, left front side airbag ignition squib is faulty, so we'll have to look that up, see what it is. But we may be able to just reset this code, and it may not come back, which is what we're going to try to do now. All right, now that we've gone through all the codes, let's just hit escape. Should take us back to this menu, which we will clear fault memory. And do you really wish to erase fault memory? If you delete fault code, stored events will also be deleted. Say OK. Please wait. Clear trouble code completed. All right. So what I'm hoping is, let's see if I hit OK again. Probably shouldn't hit OK, but OK, we're good. Okay, so I'm just going to get back out of this, and I'm not going to check any of that other stuff right now because I'm know what's going on with the rest of the car. Let's unplug the scanner. Well, I'll tell you what, leave it plugged in. Drop that. Let's start the car and see if the SRS light stays off this time. Let's take a look. Still on. So we'll turn it off. Turn it off one more time. And maybe because I still have the scanner hooked up, I'm not sure. Sometimes they act kind of... Oh, it almost went off. Looked like it wanted to go off there for a second. But still on. Try it one more time. Get the key out. I'm going to disconnect the scanner. Okay, scanner's disconnected. Blinked one time and stayed on. So it looks like whatever I did to reset the codes, we still have a code. So I'm going to turn the car off. Turn the car ignition back to number 2. Pardon my reach here while I reconnect the scanner. And we'll double check it again. See what codes came back up. Alright, so we want to hit Diagnose. And back to Benz. We're going to go through the whole process again. I will just cut out this part here and we'll skip ahead to the actual scan. So it looks like we're at 20 of 20. So the next thing we should be able to see is our SRS, and we'll go into that and again look in the codes, see what still remains. Okay, let's go down to SRS. Okay. Read fault codes. So I may end up having to do a little more. So now we only have 4 codes. We've saw this one before, the B1867. Same thing. The -004. And then some random ones that are not found. So I will do some research into that, but just wanted to show you guys this new scanner I got. How it does reset codes. Obviously we had 16 codes in there. We were able to erase 12 of those, I think it was. So Icarsoft scanner, highly recommend it. Multi-system scanner, I980. The launch scanner that I have does not reset SRS. So I'm going to be doing some more work with this, so I'll show you guys a few more things. So hopefully that'll help you guys keep your ML in tip-top shape. And when I figure out what's going on with the airbag, we'll do another video on that. So thanks guys for watching Joe Snowmobiles, and we'll see you.